Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Clipchamp video editor in Windows. Let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft store. Just open it and here just search for Clipchamp. We'll be getting the Microsoft Clipchamp. Click it. And this is officially from the Microsoft Corporation, so we can install it without worrying. Just click on install. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. Once it is done, we'll be getting the open option, and also if you go to search and type Clipchamp, we'll be having the Microsoft Clipchamp app. You can simply pin it to taskbar if you want. So just click on open and it will ask you to sign in. After signing in, it will be directly taking you to the Clipchamp editing interface. Here just select create a new video and you can import the video and start editing. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.